everybody, how are we all? Paul79 here, I hope you're safe and well. Welcome to part 3 of my first car SOS project. It's Saturday morning, it's nice and sunny, although the weather in the UK this week has been horrendous, loads of rain. So I haven't been able to get much done during the week. I've got a day job anyway, so yeah, give us a chance. But yeah, got a good weekend ahead of me on the car. Got it all planned out. Going to do a variety of things. Let me show you what I've done so far though this week since we last spoke. So I suppose the major addition is we now have Cayman drip rails in here. So that means the window can tuck in nice and be nice and secure there. Completely gutted the interior, taking the radio out because we're going to put a new one in. So yeah, we've also got a drip rail on this side here. This window's fitting pretty nice, it just needs to go up a little bit more there, but I might have to put my special Paul79 brackets on. Yeah, I've completely gutted the interior. Not a lot else done on the inside, to be fair, but I've got all the radio ready to go in and all the adapter. Taken away the centre console because I've got to run the wiring for the rear camera. But yeah, that's about it. Because the weather has been so bad, I thought I'd rig up the old gazebo here so I can and I got me ping pong table out, or half of it. My table tennis friends would be horrified, but there you go. It's a lovely nice table to do some work on. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with doing some bits, so I'll see you in a bit. Hello gang, how are we all? Oh, I'm exhausted. I've had a good couple of days on the car. I know it doesn't look like much, but let me take you through what I've done for part 3. So, right, where to start? Okay, so we have the drip rail in place now, and I've aligned the window. So now the window aligns and it tucks under the Cayman drip rail, which is nice. Probably going to need to change these door rubbers because they're not quite the right ones. What else have I done? Let's start from over here. So managed to get the headlights out. They were very difficult to get out, they weren't put in properly. I've bagged up all the connectors. I've neatened up all this headlight tray because it was a bit of a mess, and you don't need any area here because it gets in the way of the headlight key. So I've done that on both sides, cut out the slots a little bit better, well, a lot better to be fair. So that's done. We have a front number plate trim on, and also put in, you can't really see it, but there is a camera to keep an eye on the splitter. So that's done. I bit the bullet and I've trimmed out these. Quite pleased how they've come out. So they're a lot better now. So we can fit the grills in a lot nicer. Managed not to damage the paintwork. So that's all good there. What else? Okie dokie. So on the car, the rear window has been taken out now. It's just resting in place now, but it is now free, so I can start focusing on the interior. On the rear, fitted up a reverse camera, so that's in there. None of it's wired up yet, but it's all looking good. On the inside, so I completely stripped all of this. I've got the radio out. I've put in the new radio harness for the car for the double din. But it works, but there's no sound. And I have a feeling it might be the Bose amplifier. I'll probably swap it out with my white one because I know that works. And yeah, then on the inside here, this is all cleaned up, ready to go. We've got a new door seal here because the previous body shop decided to cut it in half and spray the bottom bit yellow, and it used to stick out at the bottom of the door. You may have noticed that in previous videos. But yeah, so that's all done on the car. It's not a lot to show, but yeah, we're getting there. So what else have we done this weekend? Well, this piece that goes on the rear boot, we're going to get that resprayed because it's got cracks. I'm going to do it satin black, not gloss black. What I've done is, oh, turn it around. Where these vents go, I've cut out all of these holes. I've reshaped it for the proper third brake light because it didn't have the 911 one. I've made also things like these grills, so once it's painted I will bond them in. You know, they're just numbered just out of spare mesh. They will be bonded in like that, and then this will all be covered with flashing tape to seal it, to stop water getting in. I had to repair the hole here because that's how it gets bolted. What else we got? Side skirts, I've cleaned them all up, I've taken them off, I've re-drilled the holes where they're meant to go. They are looking quite tired though and damaged. I don't know whether we'll get away with it. We might have to paint them as well. What else? I've also fitted and trimmed up. These are the B-pillar trims. I've had them in and out of the car, so they are basically ready to glue on. Cut holes here so you can access the rear quarter windows. Basically these will be bonded on and then covered in carpet, so I must do a template actually of them for the carpet. And finally I started making the C-pillar trims. So these are Porsche 996 or 997 proper C-pillars. I trim all the bottom off here. I add this extra bit here which comes in the kit, so that's riveted on. This will all be covered in carpet. I need to add the bit at this end here, so when it sits in the car it gets glued to the kit, but I couldn't do that because the rear window was in the way. But now the rear window is gone, I can crack on with that hopefully next weekend. So there you go, gang, a good weekend's work. Lots of interesting, lots of different little bits and bobs done. It's not coming together yet obviously, but it's good because I can chop and change and do like body work, mechanical work, etc, etc. So it's all good. Before I go, a friend of mine at work, Kieran, asked me to give a shout out to his friend Dr. Fred. Unfortunately Dr. Fred fell off his bike and he's broken his collarbone, so I'm really sorry to hear about that, Dr. Fred. Get well soon, mate, and I hope this little shout out cheers you up. Anyway, take care everyone, see you on the next video, see you on part 4. Take care, bye bye.